Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Excel couldn't start last time safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Office. Click and expand Office version, click and expand Common, click Open Find. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Enable Shell Data Caching. Change value data to 1. Click and exit Registry Editor. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open and Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office, click Change. Check Repair, click Continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.